Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing some RAG, okay? So RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, is pretty much a technique that helps to decrease hallucinations when using LLMs. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use GPT4ALL with RAG. So we're gonna have to download GPT4ALL. You guys can search for GPT4ALL on Google. We're gonna go to the website and you click here to download. We're gonna download. This should take just in a bit. Okay, so we downloaded the GPT4ALL installer. We're gonna install. Don't know what guys this is just because the problem doesn't have a certificate. We're gonna run anyway. So the installation, we're gonna click next. It should download next, and we're gonna click the term. We're gonna totally read this, right? We're gonna click next, and install. So now it's downloading the files for the installation to be done. This should take just a while. Also, we're gonna go here. I'm gonna just grab here guys some example. So we're gonna use this folder here that I have with some documents. So basically RAG, we use these documents as reference. We have this article from the Wikipedia, which is an article on CUDA, which pretty much allows you to use GPUs to accelerate compute, which is pretty much standard for retraining neural network machine learning. Okay, so the installation was done. Let's click on finish. Now we're gonna search for GPT4ALL. And I already made a tutorial on how to download and use LM Studio. Okay, so this is the homepage for GPT4ALL. We're gonna download a model. Let's click on download models. The download of Llama 3 Instruct. Let's continue that download. Let's see if this is really going to finish. With Llama 3 Instruct, we should be able to get good results when running inference on our documents. It should be very interesting to see. We can also use Fig 3 from Microsoft, which is a very interesting model because it's very tiny. It's just 4 billion parameters. Let me see if I can find. Okay, we got this file. I think this might work. Let's try this one as well. I was trying to download earlier. Okay, so it seems that the download was finished. Let's just wait a little bit. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to do RAG. Okay, so we have this model now. Let me switch here. Let's try to load Llama 3. So right here we have this gear for settings. In the application, you can choose dark mode, light mode. You can use the font size, where you're gonna run. So right now using Vulkan, I wanna use CUDA because it's faster, but it's nice that it has another backend. So with Vulkan, it probably can run on AMD GPUs. I have my integrated graphics right here, but it's not really good for running LLMs. Let's see if we are able. Let's type hello, and this should start generating text. And as you guys can see here, the speed, hello there. Let's try again. Hello there. The speed is 9 tokens per second using Vulkan. Let's reload. Let's use CUDA. Now we need to eject the model. It's loading the model using CUDA. We got 9 tokens per second using the Vulkan backend. Let's see now with the CUDA backend. So we got about 19. You guys saw? Oh, okay, you guys didn't saw that. Sorry guys, I need to hide my webcam. Let's try again. Yeah. You guys can see here over 20, and the Vulkan backend was about 9. So you guys, you have to believe me, okay? Because I wasn't able to show you guys before. But okay, let's create a new chat here. We got our Llama 3 Instruct model. Now we're gonna click here, okay, in this pile. We're gonna click on add. We're gonna have to click download here, which pretty much we're gonna download a model to embed the text. We're gonna use this SBERT, which pretty much is a model that embeds that document into a latent space, which makes it usable for the model for searching using, I think it's using cosine distance. So now we have this model. We can now add a folder, and we're gonna add that folder that I just showed you guys here. Okay, with these documents, we can copy this, I think, right? I'm gonna copy it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna select this folder. I'm gonna give deep learning. The name of this collection is gonna be deep learning. Okay, we got some advanced settings here. Now we can start asking, right? Asking questions. Let me hide this. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to load a model first. I see my settings are saved. Okay, we should be using. We can also select a default model, which is pretty interesting. The model is not yet loaded, or maybe it is. Let's see. Hello. Okay, good. What is deep learning? What is deep learning? You guys saw here, deep learning is a subfield of machine learning, and we're gonna open this file. We're gonna search for subfield. Subfield. Let me see again. Subfield. Okay, subfield. We didn't saw that. But I think that is there. This text here should be based on the text that we got on those folders. But I think this information is right here. Let me see. A subset. Okay. It's not subfield, it's subset, but it's pretty close in meaning. Subfield, subset. So let's ask, what is CUDA? What is CUDA? Okay, I'm not showing my webcam. Let me do this, guys, so you guys can see the speed of generation. You guys can see the speed at which is generating tokens. So all of this information should be roughly based on the information that we got on those files. So this is pretty much what should be happening. Of course, the model might hallucinate on some of this information because it's using all the information that it already has, plus the information that I put on those files. So here for CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture is a parallel computing platform developed by NVIDIA for general purpose computing on its graphics processing units, GPUs. Okay, I think it's pretty good. I don't know if the model itself would be able to have this information. It's pretty good, pretty based actually. Let's see. So I also got a transformer. Okay. So what is a transformer? It should base that information as well. Okay, we got here a transformer is a type of artificial intelligence model that has revolutionized the field of natural language processing. It was introduced by, okay, you guys can see here, there's some kind of reference. And if we open that file, we should see that information. Vasvani, searching Vasvani, okay, didn't show here. Okay, it's generating a nice answer for what a transformer is, and it actually has a lot of good points like the encoder, decoder, self-attention, QKV, some of the advantages of transformers, which is prioritization and scalability. Also, what they are used for, such as machine translation. Good. Okay, pretty good. I want to see what is the default D model value. This should be 512. Let's see. It says that it was not specified. Yeah, 512. Okay, it's a good answer. I don't think that the model itself would be able to find this answer. And let's search here for 512. We got here, which is the length size. Let me see. It doesn't say here. It says the window size, which is 512 tokens, I think. But that's pretty much the video, guys. If you guys watched to the end, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you guys would like me to make other tutorials on RAG, you guys can comment down below and I will look into it. But that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.